Setting down at the amplifier, adjusting everything, flattening everything off, got master up a tiny bit. Okay, let's get started, making some sound. SD Handwire, here's what we got, some few sounds for you. Gain, straight up. EQ, straight up. Master up a tiny bit. Presence, straight up. Turn up the master a tiny bit. A little more gain. Let's see what we got with the gain all the way up here. Okay, first adjustment, brighten it up a little bit, the bright switch. Turn up the bottom end, full bright switch and bottom end boosted. Back off the bass a bit, pull out the mid-range. Let's see the treble go all the way up. Put the mid back up, everything about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Thicken it up a bit with the thick switch. Right, back off the thick switch. Let's change one of the EQ settings with the EQ switching. EQ1 thickens up the sound quite considerably. Back to EQ2 in the center. Brings out the mid-range a bit more. Now EQ3. Back off the gain a tiny bit. Cleans up considerably and gets brighter. We're going to go reverb now, slight send, and more return. Alright, so more return on the reverb, bigger sound, bigger reverb sound. All right, we'll back that off. Send all the way, back off the return. Alright, reverb, back it off. Just leave it a minimal setting now. Okay, let's see what we can do with the amp as far as looking at some gain settings. Try and clean it up as much as we can. Well, an amp like this certainly has gain settings, and you can make it break up slightly, which is advantageous with pedals and modern day effects. You can get some of the amp to actually work in conjunction with the effects. It's one of the nicest things about this particular Handwire. And here's a pretty thick gain out of it.
SongHwa is a manufacturer and exporter of musical equipment since the year 2000. We started out with our brand name Sound Drive, which continues today, and as an OEM manufacturer. Our products are electric and acoustic guitar amplifiers, multi-amplifiers for keyboard, sound system, and mixers. We believe that with our technical staff, we have the best value available in technology and experience. Our product line has been developed to offer musicians perfect tonal balance and complete control over their sound with all of our product models. Our amplifier, cabinets, and accessories reflect our commitment to function and design, with quality being our main objective. SongHwa has grown in its short 10 years into a well-respected brand and OEM amp maker with a sound that is enjoyed by musicians worldwide. We are a leading supplier in this field with clients worldwide. We are happy to receive your inquiries about the services we offer and products.